Let's check in with Zane again to talk about our back to work forecast. And you've got kind of a mixed bag this week.
We do, yeah. We've got a brief warm up. We've got some cold winds, though. We've got a couple more snowflakes possible, too. So a little bit of that is still on the way, Todd. Not a perfect 10, but not awful either here. Main thing we're looking at tonight is this band of some snow that's out towards the I-29 corridor in southeastern South Dakota that's moving our direction at this hour, and obviously the cold that's settling in too. The cold's settling in because our skies are still clear and high pressure is edging in closer over Minnesota, so our winds are really lightening up, and with the fresh snow, those temps are rocketing downward here now that the sun has set. The snow is a little wave energy that's sort of moving over top the high pressure coming our direction. Now, after that tonight, we are going to thaw out as we head towards Tuesday. Temperatures will go up tomorrow more than they did today, and then we'll top 40 degrees on Tuesday, and then we'll get frigid again here later this week. Also, as we cool back down after Tuesday, we're going to get some winds blowing in Tuesday night. That's going to be one of the most noticeable things you see in the weather. Okay, before we get to the winds, I did promise I would talk about the kids at Windsor Elementary here in Des Moines. Last week, we got to talk after Thanksgiving break. They had all sorts of fun over Thanksgiving, making snowmen and all that stuff with that big snowstorm. And they were back at school. They got about, well, let's see, 2 more weeks left here before winter break. So they were great to talk weather with there earlier on last week. We've got some cold days for you, though, if you're trying to do outside recess here later this week. The warm-up is before that. Let's go through the snow tonight. So the flakes are out in far northwest Iowa right now, just coming into the state. They will move through mainly the northern half of Iowa overnight. Our temperatures are going to drop the next few hours and then start to slowly climb back up. So we're probably going to see single digits in a lot of spots here around 8, 9, 10 o'clock, and then we start to work our way back into the teens. Here's 2 a.m. in the morning, some showers of snow mainly across about Highway 30 and northward, but we can see some flakes farther south than that. Don't be surprised if you have a dusting or so into early tomorrow. Now, once we head past daybreak, we're going to slowly try to erode the cloud cover away, but I don't think we'll get back to full sunshine on your Monday. Our temperatures will at least go up, though. Southerly breeze, look at that, 20s to even a few 30-degree readings possible from about I-80 southward, so almost to freezing, but not quite. Then our next big weather system takes shape as we head towards Tuesday. Look at our high temperatures Tuesday. 30s in northern Iowa, 40s from the Des Moines metro and into southern Iowa. That's a big change. I mean, that'll be our warmest temperature in almost 2 weeks in a lot of spots. Now, it comes with a bit more of a breeze pulling up into some low pressure to our north. This is going to spawn perhaps a few rain showers across northern Iowa Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. So that's part of our warm up, a few raindrops. But then as that sweeps by, we're not going to really add up much, or, you're going to get soaked or anything like that. The cold air rushes in. And we're probably going to see a few snow showers on the backside of this system. Again, mainly across northern and northeastern Iowa. This is going to be late Tuesday night into the wee hours of Wednesday. Winds turn to the north and the west behind a cold front, and this is when the winds are going to get real gusty. This is going to be, remember back before Thanksgiving, we had that real windy night? We might be kind of dealing with that sort of similar thing again here Tuesday night. Wind gusts out of the north and the west around 40 miles per hour. As we get closer, we might end up looking at maybe some stronger gusts than that here Tuesday night and into the first part of Wednesday. Our next chance of snow after a few of those snow showers tonight and then Tuesday night is coming as we head towards Thursday. Another system. It doesn't look super potent, but there will be some light snow potential here coming late Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. Again, another quick hitting sort of system. So the active weather, that's basically continuing this pattern as we go through another week into December. Warmest day on that 8-day is 44 on Tuesday, and then we slide after that back below freezing on Wednesday after the winds blow the cold air back in. 20s Thursday, light chance of some snow, and then we're only at highs in the teens by the end of this week, headed into the weekend. Friday into Saturday, overnight lows also going down towards the single digits to near zero, and that breeze on Friday too. Yeah, wind chills are going to feel a whole lot colder than that 18-degree high.